curse.
They're alive but cursed.
Curse is making them sick.
Who would believe in cursed water?
They made calcium bombs!
This is zombies.
Zombies! African zombies!
But there's no such thing as zombies.